Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel, that is Astha Kashyap channel. Yesterday I was talk about teaching aptitude and these 10 topics related to this unit. Today I am going to tell you guys what is the learner's characteristics. So let's start the today's session. Learner's characteristics, the third subtopic of teaching aptitude. Hello everyone, good afternoon. Yesterday I was talk about teaching aptitude and 10 subtopics related to teaching aptitude. Also nature of teaching and objective of teaching. Today I will talk about factors affecting learner. जो सीख रहा है, जो लर्न कर रहा है, उसको कौन कौन सा फैक्टर अफेक्ट करता है. टुडे आई विल डिस्कस ऑन दिस टॉपिक. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द सेशन. Factors affecting learning. First, let's recall what I was yesterday, what I was told you guys. Teaching aptitude and 10 subtopics related to teaching aptitude, and these are nature of teaching, objective of teaching, factors affecting learner, characteristics of learner, characteristics of teacher, methods of teaching, teaching aids, evaluation system, Bloom's taxonomy, and domains of learning. And nature of teaching I already discussed yesterday. Objective of teaching too. Today's topic is factors affecting learner. So let's start. What is factors affecting learner? Factor affecting learner means some factors which affect learner. जो सीख रहा है, जो लर्न कर, तो कौन कौन सा फैक्टर अफेक्ट करता है वो हम लोग जानेंगे. So factors like personal background of learner. Learner का personal background, उसका family background कैसा है, बहुत पुअर है इकोनॉमिकली, अगर फाइनेंशियली और इकोनॉमिकली. सम स्टूडेंट्स आर पुअर, सम स्टूडेंट्स आर रिच. सो दीज फैक्टर्स अफेक्ट लर्नर. Personal background means family background. The first factor which affect learner is personal background or family background. Some students are financially rich, some are poor. So these factors affect learner, because economically poor children or poor students cannot afford high profile school, but rich can afford. So this level can affect learners also. The second point of factors affecting learner is prior knowledge of the learner or prior experience. Prior means previous, पिछला. What students previously learn or what's the prior knowledge of the student also affect learner. Like some students do their bachelor degree in state government like Bihar state or other lower state. But some students do their bachelor degree in Delhi University or BHU. So their mental level can differ to their institute. And the third is interest of learner. How learner interest in their subjects, in their study. This also affect learner. So the third point is learner interest in study. First one is personal background or family background. Second one is prior knowledge or experience of the learner, previous experience and prior previous knowledge. The third one is interest. How much any student, any learner show their interest in their study. This also affect in their study or in their knowledge. The last one is motivation. Family or friends, they both can motivate any learner. किसी भी लर्नर को फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स मोटिवेट करते हैं पढ़ने को, तो मोटिवेशन कितना मिल रहा है उनको खुद से या फैमिली से, खुद के एक्सपीरियंस से, मिस्टेक से कितना वो मोटिवेट हो रहे हैं. दिस ऑल्सो अफेक्ट द लर्नर. If anybody need, can write down factors affecting learner. Third subtopic of teaching aptitude: personal background or family background, prior knowledge or previous knowledge. We can say that interest in study, motivation, which come from their families or friends. So write down. First one is personal background, that is family background. Second one is prior knowledge or previous knowledge, we can say that, also experience of the learner. The third one is interest, how much they show their interest in their studies. Motivation, which come from family or also friends too. If anyone want or need it, they can write down on their copy. The fourth subtopic is characteristics of learner. Fourth subtopic of teaching aptitude is characteristics of learner. Characteristics of learner means learner's qualities. In this subtopic, readiness, motivation, interest and curiosity to learn. कितना स्टूडेंट क्यूरियस है about study, about anything to learn, कितना उसका इंटरेस्ट है, मोटिवेशन है. That is the first point of characteristics of learner. हाउ मच दे रेडीनेस मीन्स कितना वो रेडी है, तैयार है फॉर मोटिवेशन, इंटरेस्ट इन स्टडी एंड क्यूरियोसिटी टू लर्न, कितना वो क्यूरियस है स्टडी को लेकर। द सेकेंड पॉइंट इज एक्सरसाइज प्रैक्टिस व्हाट इज लर्न। एक्सरसाइज इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट और रिवीजन इज इम्पोर्टेंट। जितना हम लोग एक्सरसाइज उतना माइंड में क्लियर होता चला जाएगा। सो एक्सरसाइज और प्रैक्टिस मोर इम्पोर्टेंट। As we all know that the phrase also said that the practice makes man perfect. So as we can do more practice, point is clear in our mind. The third point is effect. So these 3 points related to characteristics of learner. Note down. Effect means activities associated with pleasure are preferred. Means if we study or we do anything in pressurized form, we can't learn, we can't experience anything. But we can do anything with pleasure, with happiness. This affects our studies. The characteristics of learner, first point is readiness, second one is exercise, and third one is effect. These are some points related to learner's characteristics. Personal characteristics of 10 relate to demographic information such as age, gender, maturation, knowledge, social economic status, cultural background, and specific needs of a learner group such as particular skill and disabilities for impairments to learning. सीखने की चाह, कितना क्यूरियस है स्टूडेंट, उसका फाइनेंशियल बैकग्राउंड कैसा है, रिच है पुअर है, वो इससे रिलेट करता है.